Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Houseplants World. Today, we will talk about the vibrant world of the Bougainvillea.
Bougainvillea is a genus of thorny, woody, ornamental vines, bushes, and trees native to South America. They are widely celebrated for their vibrant, papery bracts, which most people mistake for petals, that surround tiny, tubular white or yellow flowers. Quick care guide: Bougainvillea are famously tough plants that actually bloom better when they are slightly neglected and stressed. Sunlight: they require full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours of direct light daily. Without intense sun, they will produce plenty of leaves but very few colorful bracts. Watering: follow a cycle of deep watering followed by partial dry down. Allow the soil to dry out significantly between waterings. Soggy soil or constant moisture will cause the plant to drop its blooms. Soil: use well-draining soil. They are highly sensitive to wet feet and root rot. Fertilizer: they are heavy feeders when actively growing. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer during the growing season, or a high-phosphorus, bloom booster formula to encourage more color. Temperature: they are tropical plants, hardy in USDA zones 9 to 11. They are not frost-tolerant and generally require temperatures above 4 to 10 degrees Celsius, 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. In colder climates, they are best grown in containers so they can be moved indoors or to a greenhouse for the winter. Key characteristics: the flower. The true flowers are small and inconspicuous. The showy, vibrant parts are actually bracts, modified leaves that come in shades of pink, magenta, purple, red, orange, white, and yellow. Thorns: their stems are covered in sharp, persistent thorns, which makes them excellent for security hedges or privacy screens but requires caution when pruning. Growth habit: they are vigorous growers. Depending on the variety and support, they can be trained as climbing vines on walls and trellises, pruned into shrubs, shaped into standards, small trees, or even styled as bonsai. Drought tolerance: once established, they are remarkably drought tolerant, making them an ideal choice for arid landscapes or water-conscious gardens. Pro tips for success: the ignore rule. If your plant has plenty of green leaves but no flowers, stop overwatering and reduce nitrogen-heavy fertilizers. The plant often blooms best when it is stressed by a bit of heat and dry conditions. Pruning: prune immediately after a bloom cycle finishes to maintain shape and encourage the next round of growth. Because they bloom on new wood, cutting back the tips stimulates new branching and more flower-bearing shoots. Container growing: if you are growing in a pot, use a container with excellent drainage. Bougainvillea actually enjoy being slightly root-bound, so don't rush to repot them into much larger containers. Are you planning to grow your Bougainvillea in a container or directly in the ground, and what is your local climate like?